Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are well and enjoying the online classes. So, our new topic of EVS is land, water and air. It is chapter number 13 of your EVS book, and in the today's video we will cover the landforms. Okay? And in the second and third part we will cover water and air respectively. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss the highlights of the chapter. The highlights of the chapters are landforms. Landforms are for many types like plains, mountains, hills, valley, desert and plateaus. And then we discuss about the water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, and at last we will discuss about groundwater. And then last is air. So air is also of many types like wind, breeze and storm. And then we will discuss about pollution, what the pollution is exactly, and then we will discuss at last the types of pollution, and then we will discuss the summary of the lesson. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Before I start the video, I want you all welcome to my channel Engineers Platform. So let's start. So the earth is made up of land and water. So look at the image of the earth. It is the image of the earth, and you can see that this blue part is made up of water and this green part is made up of land. Means land part is covered with the green trees. That's why we indicate it with the green color, and on the other hand the water part is covered with the water bodies, so we indicate it with the blue color. So we can see that there is more water than land on the earth. As you can see that green part is fewer than blue part. So water is more than land part. So the earth appears blue in color when seen from the outer space. It is called the blue planet. Okay? Earth is called the blue planet. Now we will discuss about the landforms. In this video we will discuss only the landforms, and in the second and third part of the videos we will discuss about the water bodies and at last at the air. So landforms are of many types like plains, mountains, hills, valleys and deserts. Okay, so we live on the various landforms present on the earth. Our houses, schools, roads, hospitals, marketplace are built on these landforms. So farmers also grow their crops on the land. Different trees grow on the land, and large numbers of animals also live on the land. So land on the earth is not the same everywhere. It is of different designs. At places it is a flat. At so many places it is flat, and such flat lands are called plains. So here you can see the picture of this is the example of plains. Okay, because this surface is flat, that's why we called it plains. And crops grow well in the plain areas. Crops जो होती हैं वो plain areas में अच्छे से grow होती हैं. Okay, and then the next one is mountain. In some places the land rises upwards to form mountains and hills. So mountains are higher than hills. Mountains are covered with snow, and they are mostly have snow covered high peaks. Okay, the next one is hills. Mountains are higher than hills, and this is the image of hill. Okay, and between the hill and there is between two hills. For example, there are different hills, and between the two hills there is a flat surface that is called valley. यानी कि अगर दो हिल हैं इस तरीके से और इस तरीके से, तो उसके बीच में जो फ्लैट सरफेस जा रहा होता है उसे हम वैली कहते हैं. एंड दिस इज द इमेज ऑफ वैली। ये वैली का आपका इमेज है क्योंकि यहाँ इसके एक साइड एक हाई हिल है, दूसरी साइड भी एक हाई हिल है और बीच में जो स्पेस है दैट इज कॉल्ड वैली। तो दिस यू नीड टू लर्न प्रॉपरली कि आपके जो हिल्स होते हैं उसके बीच में जो फ्लैट सरफेस दिया होता है उसे हम वैली बोलते हैं। ओके, सो यू नीड टू लर्न दिस पार्ट वेरी क्लियरली। Then the next one is deserts. So some part of the land on earth is covered with sand. यानी रेत से कवर्ड होते हैं, बहुत सारे पार्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो अर्थ पर रेत से कवर हैं, सैंड से कवर हैं। एंड दीज प्लैनेट्स गेट वेरी लेस रेनफॉल एंड वेरी हॉट एंड ड्राई। यहाँ पर रेन बहुत कम होती है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा हॉट एंड ड्राई प्लेसेस होते हैं ये, एंड देयर इज no cropping available. Okay, so these lands are known as deserts. इन places को हम deserts कहते हैं. So this is the example, this is the image of desert. As you can see that lot of camels are walking over here. So I would like to tell you about the shape of the desert, that is camel. If anybody asks which animal is known as the shape of the desert, so you will reply the camel is known as the shape of the desert. Okay, so why it is called the shape of the desert? Because it required very low water. Okay, it store water in its body, in the hump of its body. Okay, here in this part of his body he store water and he use that water whenever it required. Okay, so it can survive in the desert without water and food for many days. Also it has padded feet which is very useful to him to walk on the sand areas. Okay, so camel is known as the sheep of the desert because it survive in the desert without water and food for many days. Also its body is according to the sand area. Okay, so we call camel as a sheep of the desert. Also flat and high lands are on the earth are called plateaus. Means फ्लैट तो हैं बट बहुत ही हाई एरिया में बने हुए हैं, ऊंचे बने हुए हैं, तो उन्हें हम प्लेट्यूज कहते हैं। कैमल को हम कहते हैं, कैमल इज नोन एज द शेप ऑफ द डेजर्ट. So I covered all the topics of land in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon and please give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.